Many years ago, the Speaker of Parliament called me and said, Lisa, there's a letter written by an MP, and they're complaining that your pants are too tight for the dress code. My pants are too tight for the dress code. And soon after, a motion was read in the House to debate a proper dress code for parliamentarians. So, yeah, my pants inspired a parliamentary debate, and then came after my sleeveless dress, and I could go on and on. But that was just one reality of the deep scrutiny that was constantly trying to force me into conformity. And if you've been paying attention over the years, you'll know that there was always judgment. People trying to ridicule my courage with lines like, we don't want no beauty queen here, or she's so consumed with her looks, or this isn't a beauty contest. She can't understand complex issues. So I just couldn't win. So what did I do? I pulled back. I stopped. I never spoke about fashion, skincare, wellness. I only showed one side of myself. Because as social media grew, it took so much energy to defend who I was. And here's the truth. I never changed. I still took care of my skin. I never cared. I never cared what people said about my body. I still took care of my body. I still chose elegance. So that when you see me now answering your questions about beauty, about fashion, about nutrition, wellness, it's not new for me. This is who I've always been, multidimensional. I've always been knowing that taking care of yourself doesn't make you less capable. I've just decided to let you in. So always remember, judgment will always come, but real courage isn't about shrinking to fit someone else's box. Real courage is owning all that you are, and that is the most beautiful thing that you can ever wear.